Hey, you guys, welcome to slmworkfromhome.com. And in today's video, we have a question from Forever 21. So, Forever 21 says, does Arise get a cut from your paycheck? And if so, how often? Also, who pays your taxes? All right, so that's a really good question. Let's dig into this. Before we do that, if this is your first time watching this video and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer that for you. Here we go. So the Arise platform usage fee is $19.75, and that's per pay period. So with Arise, if you're on a regular schedule, you'll be getting paid twice a month. So they'll be taking that platform usage fee of $19.75 per pay period. And that fee is just for 24-hour client tech support, the accounting and scheduling services. So whenever you have a question as far as with the client or any questions about using the platform, there is tech support that is available for you 24 hours. Also the accounting that they do to cut the checks, and also your scheduling services. So when you schedule for taking a course or schedule for working your hours. And then just keep in mind that there's also a separate charge fee from your IBO. So every IBO is not created equal. Each IBO has their own policies and standard operation procedures and fees that they charge. So definitely do your research when choosing an IBO. I do know some IBOs, they charge a flat rate per pay period, or some IBOs they charge per the amount of hours that you worked. So they might charge like a percentage. All right, and as far as taxes go, I do just want to remind you that servicing the Arise platform, this is a business opportunity. So you are considered to be an independent contractor and not an employee. So you'll be responsible for paying your taxes and responsible for any benefits that you may need. So just quick disclaimer, I do want to let you know that I am not a tax professional or an accountant. So I'm not here to advise you or tell you which deductions that you can take. Now, while I'm not here to tell you which deductions you can take, I do want to let you know that as an independent contractor and you running your own home business, there are deductions that you can take. You may possibly be able to deduct your phone bill. You may be able to deduct your internet, maybe a portion of your mortgage, or etc. So many other things that may be deducted that you don't know about. So what I do advise you is just to keep receipts of the items that you do need to work from home. Just have that in a collection, so when it's time to do your taxes, you can speak with your tax person and they'll be able to let you know what can be deducted. When you do your taxes, you just want to do your research. One place that you can go to do your research is the IRS website. They have publications there for self-employed individuals, independent contractors. They have a publication that talks about the tax deductions that you can take, and also a great book that you can take a look at is the Get Your Money Back, and that's from Lynn Richardson. You may have seen her online talking about getting your money back, starting your business at home, and just talking about some of the deductions that you would be able to take. So if you're interested in that, I do have a link below. You can go ahead and click on that. She also has webinars as far as you getting your money back when you run your own home business, and also so much more: credit repair, creating multiple streams of income. So definitely take a look. Okay, Forever 21, I hope that answered your question, and also anybody else who had the same question. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video.